Hi guys, I'm sorry I was not uh, uploading videos those years ago. So because I was so busy, like I was playing with my friends, having a busy session. This is part 2 of Two Blast. What should we play? Wait. So these are my old games. I've been also joining my friends. So that's and a game like this I hate those. They're too scary. So let's try Brookhaven. I'm Brookhaven. Okay, where's Brookhaven? Wait, did I already play Brookhaven? I don't know, I think I forgot. Or I'll just play it now. So guys, when I'm releasing my avatar, sorry if it's bad or nice. If it's bad, I'm sorry. But if it's nice, okay. Well, I'm sorry if it's raining. So I hope you guys hear me. So I'm just a big fan. Everyone likes big fans, I think. Oh guys, remember? Oh yeah, wait, forgot. We're already now starting that. So let's change my avatar. This is really so I never played the game before. So I think other games before. Let's change somewhere. I wanna just explore and check something else. Later I'll change. And I'll change my avatar, not like my old one. Oh guys, I think I was using my old account before. So this is my new account. Still a big one, but guys, I'm sorry. It's raining because I'm in the Philippines. Remember guys, I was saying you can go to my house when I was in Oman. I was literally so English there and I'm still English here and I can do Tagalog. I want to choose this house actually. My 17. There's like, this is the weird, guys, did you know this in Brookhaven? Every time, I saw this in Brookhaven last time. I was playing Brookhaven, this lazy to do videos, so I saw this in Brookhaven, but I'll just type it, okay? It's disgusting to see. Do you see that? Do you see that it's disgusting? Almost everyone did that. So, what? Brother, Premium Boy is here again. I wish I had Premium. If it's Halloween, I noticed this was new. So, let's change my avatar. I want to just be my face like that. So, I'll change to this. Some are different. I'm sorry. The swimming is different because me and my sister joined. So, that's it. I just pressed that because I like the swimming mode of that. Some is my cousins in Roblox. Some of my cousins play Roblox, so I hate one of my cousins. She fight me. So guys, I was trolling her earlier. I was playing the game earlier. Okay, my sister will join. Kayla, join me. Okay, I wanted to share a bracelet. So, hope. And can you just... Ow! Okay, I was just speaking a different language. No, I need to... No. Okay. Tyla!
Yeah.
Umayos ka.
Hey.
Okay, I'll speak a different language. So, guys, this is disgusting. So, I need to choose...
I cannot press it. And I can do something.
Do it by yourself. So, I want to just... so it doesn't...
After this kaya.
Do it by yourself. I'm not helping.
Pura na lang ako, friend.
Sige. Sabi mo, you said you're gonna join.
Ayaw kasi aman magsildo. Tapos ayaw manggana.
Then give me.
Ito lang.
Give me nga. Mag-ano ka na lang dito. Oh, yan. Sorry about that. So, I'm gonna... Bruh.
Why
this? Look at this. Just do that.
Okay, bra.
Babrashin kita.
No.
Just ignore my Tagalog words. I miss my Tagalog.
Acho.
What? Maybe next time, if you know Tagalog, I can video a Tagalog version.
What you doing? Doing a video?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, I'll try to find my hair. That
I'm
is
going to
one
find your house.
black.
What?
So guys, I think you guess what's my favorite hair. I will find it now. Is that you? Hentai. This one. I choose this hair, so that's my favorite. I always use... Wait! I want to change my outfit again. Wait! Tyla, wait! Or else, baban kita. Now? Wait! Okay, I'm coming.
Hey. I'm sorry.
Where are you?
Hey.
Hindi kita... Don't be a baby.
Okay, Daddy.
We are just neighbors. Tyla, we are neighbors.
Hey.
Get away.
Hey.
We are neighbors.
Hey.
I'll change my avatar.
Wait, I'm going to press you.
No, not that. No, I'm not. Don't roommate me.
Why can you go outside?
No,
Hindi ko kayong labas.
fine. Here, I open the door.
Thank you, dress.
You know where you're gonna put your house.
7-Eleven.
Okay.
7-Eleven.
So guys, let's go change my avatar. Later we can spy on someone.
Who?
No.
Me?
No. Secret.
Is it anything?
Someone else. So guys, let's change my avatar. Usually, I do keep avatars, so I will do it now. Wait, did it stop raining? Thank God. Wait. No, never mind.
What? This house?
guys, this will be disgusting.
What?
In the voice. When I was typing hot,
Bro.
it was like this.
Bro, I'm going to change my house.
Guys, bro, what is this now? No, it's disgusting.
What? My house?
No. So I'm sorry guys for embarrassing you. So that's how I usually do. So I will search cute
I'm
again.
make my house again.
Bree.
I'm going to make a pretty house.
What's for the Ew, guys. Ew. Sorry.
Eat me. Sorry guys, but I won't watch your video, guys.
Bruh.
Sorry.
Silas, stop.
Okay.
Silas, stop doing the box. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, this is Silas, stop. You're embarrassing
I
me.
just changed my house.
So stop doing this noise.
And now I can make it.
Okay. Because you delete it, you need to wait for 8 minutes. No, guys, I'm sorry. I pressed it by accident.
The phone died.
Sige.
Ate,
What?
later can we do the pink color braiding?
No.
Pink color braiding.
No.
The pink color braiding.
No.
The pink
Kyla, I said no.
braiding.
I said no.
The pink braiding yogurt. Oh, no.
Okay, I will just...
Run, I cannot see my...
Okay, I will...
Bruh, so...
Kyla, quiet. Okay, let me push this thing. Is it nice? No.
Yan po.
Kyla, quiet.
Okay.
Did you know, guys, there was 2 floors on this floor? On this
So,
house, I meant.
guys.
Kyla, stop or else.
My car radio.
So, what should I wear? This black skirt? Or I should just leave my outfit like this? I don't want any hats, so I'll wear other hats. I'm feeling for white today, not black. Because white is my favorite color
I'm
so
choosing
much.
purple and blacky.
And blue. I like color white and blue actually. So I'm not wearing black today. So I'll search white. Okay. So okay, it's beautiful. Wait, guys. How much
I'm going to leave.
like for this
No,
outfit?
I'm going
No. No, not again. So guys, this looks for like a prom.
I have to do a video.
Okay, I will play Brookhaven now. Actually, I'll do it later. Wait.
I'm going to do a video. So
Okay.
sad.
Yeah. So sorry if it's wrong. So let's go to our other team. So this video is gonna be long. Sorry if you're waiting so long. Say last stop. Say last stop. Or else.
Okay.
Sorry for interrupting. Let's play the lava game. This is my...
Please toilet us.
I will go to the end. your surprise? Wait. What the? No! No, I'm gonna die. I can't do it. No! I'm bad at this game. Wait, I'll play other game.
What? Oh.
Me, I just need to run fast. Hope no one pressed the button. Lord, please. Lucky. He has a fast mode.
Oh.
No. He's tiny puppet. So, oh my god. Bro, that scared me. Guys, if you ever play this game, I think you already know that about this.
Oh, I know that. Lava Berry game.
Kayla, who's the one making the video? Not you. I'll run. Kayla, why did you join me? Liar. Nag-join mo. You join me. It's not different. That player is so dumb, look. This frog. How would they would literally die? Bro.
I died.
Haha.
I joined you.
You liar. Okay, I will go down. I think I'll win. Lila, you're so low.
I guess.
I'm not going to Peppa Pig's house yet. Me, I'll just run. You know, whoever pressed the button is gonna die.
Somebody press the
Never mind. Should have run there earlier. Silas gonna just die. This girl house is really small. I'll go to Peppa Pig's house. You know what? Before I almost made it. Sayla. I always put, every time if I'm making a video, she said to let. And then she is not she. No, where did I fall? Sayla. Stop. Or else. I just said that the guy will be by accident. So if you guys know that Kulit, you know it in English. Kulit, if you don't know Kulit in English, Kulit is not me.
You know what the tag is?
So I should run. Let's go there. Level 6. No! I almost fall. I don't wanna reset. I'm just hard working. I'm almost. So I'll just be here. Yay! No! Oh, never mind. need to go here. No! No!
I just died.
Lord! Okay, I'll just leave this game. I hate this game.
Me too. And what is that load after?
Bruh.
That's a thing.
Wait, what?
Shut up, that game. Lisa.
Wait, what did I want? Never mind. So what's the one today? I should play this. Okay, let's play Baby Chef Twilight. Ma! Isa na kung gagawa akong video ang kulit. never known about this. No? Hey, no diaper. Love you, Mama. Where is Kayla? I will. No, teenager. No, he's not. Where did they go? Well, I was not done. Yeah, he's never known about that. How did he? Yeah, no. There's a not doing that.